A controversial directive from the Uttar Pradesh Panchayati Raj Department has sparked outrage across the country. An official order asked district magistrates to launch a campaign specifically targeting Muslims and Yadavs for alleged encroachments on Gram Panchayat lands. The order, based on a BJP leader's letter, directed officials to clear public spaces like ponds, sports grounds, and cremation sites from these communities, raising serious concerns of communal and caste-based bias. The move drew sharp criticism from Lok Sabha MP Chandrasekhar Azad, who called it unconstitutional, casteist, and a violation of Articles 14 and 15 of the Indian Constitution. He demanded immediate legal action against the officer responsible. Former Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav also condemned the directive, calling it anti-constitutional and urging the judiciary to intervene. Amid mounting criticism, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath suspended the officer and withdrew the order, stating that such divisive language goes against the government's policy and will not be tolerated.